Today's video is brought to you by OrchidSupplyStore.com. I will have a link to the website in the description of this video. And for viewers and subscribers, if you enter the coupon code DANNI, D-A-N-N-I, you will receive 12% off of your orchid or houseplant supplies. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the greenhouse. It's Danny. I hope this video finds you well. Today I got some video footage of Avon Nature Preserve that I want to share with you guys. It was really beautiful. It was a place that I didn't even know existed 10 miles away from me, and they had a lot of beautiful specimen size plants and a lot of orchids and some really cool bonsai trees as well. So I hope you enjoy the footage. Oh, look at the orchids. That is a beautiful red color. Is this what I think it is? Huh. Now look what I found. Monstera Thai Constellation. Beautiful. I had no idea this place existed. Look how big that rubber tree is. Holy cow. Look how big that monstera. Look how big this monstera is. Holy cow. Look at how big. That's bigger than my child. This is that plant that like smells like dead people or something when it blooms, right? They have a lot more orchids than I thought they would. What a magical place. Oh, this is gorgeous. What is it? Look at this gorgeous plant. That is beautiful. There's even more orchids. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. What a little hidden gem this place is. There's another one in bloom back there. These are really pretty lily pads. Look how pretty those are. Vandas. Look how beautiful this place is. There is just so much stuff to look at. This beautiful begonia. Look how big. I think this is a philodendron of some sort. But it's huge. I believe that's a orchid cactus. Night blooming orchid, something like that. What kind of tree is this? It's beautiful. I found. Look how beautiful this is. I don't know what kind of tree that is, but it's huge. It goes all the way up there with one single yellow flower. What a beautiful tree that is. And then check out this. Do you guys spot that huge cattleya in the tree right there? Beautiful. They have so many things in bloom that you have to walk through this place. I was told, so this tree, this plant smells delicious. It's filling this entire observatory. And it's called Yesterday, Today, and Tomorrow plant. And I don't think I've ever smelled anything that smells as good as these flowers. How pretty this Anthurium flower is. It is so red. Look at that new variegated Thai constellation leaf getting ready to unfurl. Another Thai constellation. And then I've got to find out what this beautiful plant is. This is so pretty. Is it some kind of variegated ginger or something? Beautiful place. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. What a magical place. I had a really great time there. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Happy growing, stay safe. Till next time.